everyone, welcome back. Not getting Flex push notification for service issues, payment reminders, or rent confirmation. Missing a service issue alert in Flex can lead to a late rent payment. Is exactly where to turn them back on. Go to your settings and then scroll down to find Flex in your installed app list or directly search for it. Then, inside here, tap notifications and make sure allow notifications is toggled on. If it's gray, tap on it to turn it green. Below that, check alert style and make sure it's not set to banners. It's set to banners or alerts, not none. Since none means nothing will actually appear on your screen even if notifications are technically allowed. Turn on sounds and badges as well. Now, scroll back to the top of your screen and then go to focus. Go through each focus mode you use: sleep, do not disturb, work, anything. Tap apps under each one and make sure Flex is not in the silenced app list. Because Flex service usage alerts directly affect whether your rent is submitted on time. Also check that your email address is registered with Flex, is current and accessible. Since Flex sends service issue alerts by email and text as backup channels in addition to push. So all you've got to do is go to settings, Flex, allow notifications on, style to banners or alerts, focus mode check. Flex alerts come through before rent is affected, and that's it. Subscribe.